and I have benchophobia and wonder, should I thank God for being alive? Let me think. Should I thank him? Nah, I'm too busy right now to thank God for being alive. You know what? I'll thank him later. So the underlying theme of benching, the reason why we bench, we thank God for sustenance, as required by the Torah itself in this week's Parsha, is to maintain humility. Therefore, Judaism, directed by God, is not a religion. It is an opportunity to become a person of character and depth, to be the better person by being more humble. That Judaism is synonymous with personal growth. It's not a religion over here and personal growth over here. I'm working on myself and Judaism here. Judaism is synonymous with personal growth. When I bench, when I pray, when I daven, when I thank God for being, I am gaining in humility. And the ultimate praise for any human being who reached the highest level of humanity is Moshe Rabbeinu, of whom the Torah says, Anav me'od mikol adam. He was the humblest, most modest of all men, because he realized everything comes from Hashem. And that's why he was zochet to have the Torah given through him, because there was no addition, no ego, no added phrases or ideas that he put in when God dictated the Torah to him. And the Torah passed through Moshe Rabbeinu as God dictated the Torah through the mouth of Moshe Rabbeinu, through his hand, and he conveyed it to the Jewish people. That is only able to be done by a person who is an anav, who's not going to add his own ideas or thoughts.